Write the prime factorization for the number 204. To find the prime factorization for a number, we first need to divide that number by its least prime factor and then circle it. So we need to divide 204 by its least prime factor. That factor is 2. So we divide 204 by 2 and we get an answer of 102. So if we were to take 2 times 102, we get 204. Now since 2 is prime, we circle it. Now on to step number 2. In step number 2, we want to just repeat step number 1 with the remaining number until all of our factors are prime. That means we need to take 102 and divide it by its least prime factor. The least prime factor of 102 is 2. So we divide it by 2 and we get 51. Then we circle 2 because it's prime and we look at 51. We ask ourselves, is 51 prime? No, it's not. 51 can be factored. So we need to factor 51. The least prime factor of 51 is 3. When we divide 51 by 3, we get 17. Then we circle 3 because it's prime, and we look at 17. Is 17 prime? Yes, it is. The only factors of 17 are 1 and 17, so we circle that as well. Now look what happened. We don't have any numbers left to factor. That means that we finished step 2. In step number 3, we want to write out all of the prime factors of 204 as a multiplication problem. So, we want to take all of the circled numbers and multiply them. We'll take 2 times 2 times 3 times 17. This right here is the prime factorization for 204. Now let's check our answer just to make sure. So in step number 4, we're going to check our answer by simply multiplying together all of 204's prime factors. So we take 2 times 2, which is 4, times 3, which is 12, then times 17, and we get 204, our original number. That means that the prime factorization for 204 is 2 times 2 times 3 times 17.